Here's the T-Fal nonstick. I'm a mom, I cook a lot. I love this handle on this side here, so it's super sturdy, and then on the other side as well. So this is a huge pan, so when you have a lot of items in there that's really heavy, you can grab it for both sides, which I like. And it is huge. If you look here, like, I have a lot of space, and I have no issues moving these eggs around with just a little bit of butter. It's really non-stick for me every single time I use it. And look at this, I have space for at least like 3 more eggs here, and I already got 4 extra large eggs in here. So this is perfect for a mom who's trying to cook a lot at the same time. I don't want to spend a lot of my time cooking, even though I like doing it. So this one is perfect. It's my favorite one. I use it every single day, and on my stove it doesn't take up that much space, so I still have room to use my other burners on here. So I flip the eggs over. You can see it's still sliding around, even though I pretty much used up the butter that's in the pan already for the other side. So recommend this for sure.